Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make these leather napkin rings. So on the back of a piece of leather, you're going to measure and draw out 1.5 by 6-inch pieces of leather. Then you can use a rotary cutter to cut the shapes out of the leather. Then on the back side, I just traced something round, so I just used a salt and pepper shaker. And I'm just going to trace the round end on one side of the leather. And then I'll just cut that shape out. Then I'm going to use a leather punch to punch a hole in the center of the flat end, and then I'm going to attach this hardware through the back, and then I'll use a larger punch on the leather punch to punch an end on the other end so it'll slip right over the hardware.